Today's consumers look for real, authentic food, made with the best of nature, carefully sourced and prepared, delivering great taste. What does this mean for food and beverage manufacturers? They need to create meaningful, compelling narratives that are relevant to consumers. Engaging stories and key information that provide reassurance in a rapidly changing world. As founders of the taste industry with nearly 150 years of expertise, we combine technology with a respect for nature. This is the foundation of the Symrise Code of Nature, delivering natural, authentic taste. Our commitment to signature taste solutions made with the best of nature. Code of Nature is a holistic approach based on 4 pillars: being consumer-driven, using best naturals and applied science while offering regulatory advice. Being consumer-driven means decoding consumer trends and developing natural taste experiences that consumers love. Extensive investigation feeds our deep understanding of what drives food choice. Over the past 3 years, we worked with over 15,000 consumers. We investigated their attitudes, perceptions, and preferences. We use these insights every day in our development projects to help deliver what consumers want. Best Naturals is about respectful sourcing of natural raw materials for our flavor creation from people and places we know and trust. This is one of the ways we are different. We make direct connections with fields and farmers. We source the best products, for example, onions from Germany, mint from India, citrus tonalities from Italy, South Africa, Mexico, Argentina, and Brazil, and vanilla from Madagascar, bringing you closest to the source of sustainable, high-quality vanilla supply. We build long-term partnerships based on mutual respect. This helps local communities and creates value for all stakeholders. Applied science means using our proprietary technologies and gentle preparation methods to develop natural tastes. These technologies include SymTrap. SymTrap is our intelligent, energy-saving technology that amplifies nature for distinctive taste profiles. Regulatory guidance helps you to navigate the complex and changing regulatory landscape. Proactive advice from a trusted partner can ensure compliance and drive opportunities to create labels that consumers understand and trust. Symrise, Code of Nature, delivering the authentic taste of nature. Discover how Symrise can help you to decode consumer trends and create natural taste experiences that consumers love. Symrise, always inspiring more.